Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over an interesting use case of Quillbot's Paraphraser, which is to paraphrase business emails. So here I have a sample business email that ChatGPT generated. So I'm just going to paste the text in, and all you got to do is click on paraphrase. Boom, it's really literally that simple. And if you really want to make it good, you can upgrade to premium and you can get modes like polite, shorten, expand, creative, simple, academic, formal. And it's really not that expensive at all. So I highly recommend you guys upgrade to premium. And I have a link down in the description where you can get a really good discount. So make sure to check that out.